Do you know that tourism plays a vital role in our economy? Just like many other sectors, tourism also contributes to economic and social growth and is an important source of revenue for many people. Before COVID-19, the United Nations World Tourism Organization, UNWTO, estimated that by 2030 there would be about 1.8 billion international tourist arrivals. This is a huge number indeed. Now that people are restarting traveling, we might come back to situations where too many people visit a tourism site, or where tourism causes too much pressure on our heritage. Indeed, if poorly managed, tourism could become a burden for a destination and could create a negative impact on the local communities. The Herit Data project brings together 13 partners from 7 different countries of the Mediterranean basin and supports a better management of tourism flows through new technologies and big data. The project tests data collection solutions in several tourism sites in Europe, and all the information is brought together on a common online platform. Within Herit Data, we conducted a survey to better understand the current situation when it comes to tourism data. It would also help us define what would be the most interesting features for our common online platform. Our survey involved around 100 people working at different levels of the tourism sector. It included questions about how the data on the platform would be used and what kind of information should be monitored in the tourism sector. Other questions addressed the topic of access to data, asking which tourism-related data was restricted for internal use or publicly available. We looked at different indicators such as the income of inhabitants, the satisfaction with public services, tourist data, data related to rental and selling, buying of housing, and many more. We found out that 30% of the information is publicly available, while 65% is restricted and 5% is partially available. When we look at the different countries, we see that the rate of publicly available data is different. This survey also allowed to point out some issues related to tourism-related information. For example, lack of tourism-related data, too much web-based information for tourists, which can often become misleading, lack of tools and resources, such as the lack of enough sensors to measure tourism impact. Thanks to the feedback received through the survey, we were able to improve some features of our online platform developed by our partner DISIT Lab. This will help to better manage tourism sites and to avoid negative impacts on our stunning heritage. To learn more about the survey results, visit our website.